Friends, hello everyone. I'm glad to welcome you on our channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can change your email in your TikTok account. Friends, please put likes, be sure to write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. And let's get started. Please open the TikTok app on your phone and then go to your page. Next, you'll need to tap on the three bars in the top right corner. Next, Settings and Privacy. And here, select the Accounts option. Next, User Information and Email. And now, friends, you'll just need to enter your new email that you'd like to change here. And then click Send Code, and you'll be emailed a code that you'll need to enter to confirm the email change. And after that, your TikTok email will be changed successfully. That's it, folks. This is how you can easily and quickly change your email in your TikTok account. I really hope you found this video helpful and that it was useful to you. Please like, comment, and see you soon.